Use the trimmed paper from an A4 size paper. Make a cut in the middle. Make 2 tentacles for each piece. Making a tentacle base. Fold it in half. Fold the top side to the center. Do the same for the other side. Fold this side to the center. Do the same for the other side. Fold the top side to the center. Fold this side to the center. Repeat the fold from the side to the center. Do the same for the other side. Make a fold around 2 centimeters from the tip. This is the tentacle base. You can do up to 5 sets of these. Make a fold referencing this point. Fold from this point. From this side to the center. Make a fold between the top corner and the bottom center point. Fold from this point. From this side to the crease folded previously. Fold in the previous crease. The right tentacles are complete. Fold another tentacle base for the left tentacles. You can fold up to 2 to 3 tentacles for each sides. Fold a mirror version of the right tentacles. The left tentacles are complete. Left and right tentacles are completed. Color Venom's tentacles and make it your own. Mold and shape the tentacles to your liking. You can shape them into C shapes. Or you can shape them into S shapes. Merging them with Venom. Slot the tentacles into these pockets. Slotting the tentacles to left shoulders. Adjust the tentacle's position to your liking. Slotting the tentacles to right shoulders. Adjust the tentacle's position to your liking. Slotting extra tentacles to the back. Adjust the tentacle's position to your liking. Slotting extra tentacles to the hip. You can slot the tentacles to one or both hips. Adjust the tentacle's position to your liking. Venom with tentacles is done.
If you like this video, do help to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This will help to bring my channel to more people.